Hello my loves, it's Kasha Plannerista 101. Today I am going to be planning in my catch-all planner, which is the Beauty in Florals Classic Size Happy Planner, and it is for the week of December 27th through January 2nd. So this is the crossover of the years. I do have the Calva Plan stickers, and she has a really nice goodbye 2021, welcome 2022. So I wanted to use that. I'm gonna go ahead and start with my sidebar because I usually put so many things to do in there, it's impossible. When I'm done, place this big journaling sticker box. So let's see. And then of course we go into the florals. So she has this really lovely time clock type of thing, so I'm gonna go ahead and use that. And while I am removing the lines, I wanted to say thank you. If you are coming back to spend time with me, I am so very thankful for you. If this is your first time here, welcome. I really hope you enjoy my channel. So let's go ahead and place those stickers down. Look how beautiful this is, right? And then minimizing those lines really brings out the best in my stickers, so that's exactly what I'm doing. It takes such a long time. I always fast forward those videos for you guys because it takes forever. With this Hello 2022, I don't need to remove the line because it is dividing it right in half, but for this goodbye, I do need to remove the line, so there we go. Okay, so I am gonna go ahead and add a few more little trinkets and then start adding boxes because my bread and butter in this planner are boxes. I don't know how you plan, but for me, boxes are everything. And that's kind of where I write down my main events. I had a really good question from someone asking, how do you know where to put stickers before you write down? So before I sit down to plan a spread, I look at my week. So I will keep any appointments and work schedules in my phone, because that's just how it is. Like I can see all of my meetings because it's across the company. So everything is digital, and then I will look at my week and kind of see what my work looks like. I keep a running list, like a brain dump of all the items that I need to complete in my week. And when I look at my week, I kind of go about and spread my tasks on days that I know I am going to be able to complete them. Like if I have a late day with a meeting like at 6 p.m. for something, there's no way I'm going to be scheduling like additional crazy amount of home tasks. I will put stuff that's effortless, like maybe a load of laundry, or maybe just like sitting down and meal planning, stuff like that, where I know that on top of just not only being tired from work, I can do something productive that I enjoy. So like for me, meal planning of course comes in the planner, and decorating, that's when I might schedule like editing or filming some videos, because again, planner is not my job, it's my hobby. It does keep my life on track, which I am super happy about, but it is a hobby and I relax doing it. That's how I started doing it, and that's why I'm continuing doing it. Not only does it keep my life on track, but it also really relaxes me. So that's pretty much the only reason why I do that versus like a phone schedule. And plus, when I write stuff down, I actually remember what is going on in my life. If I put my actual plans on paper, I'm way more likely to remember them. So that also helps. for sure. So that's why I am writing them down. And I am almost done with this spread while I was talking about random things, which I hope you guys find interesting. I finished the spread. I really love how this came out. So again, this was made with the stickers from Caliber Plan, her winter florals. And she had this beautiful Hello 2022 floral spread, which you guys know I am a sucker for florals. So that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, give it a thumbs up. And thank you so much for spending time with me. I'll see you soon. Bye.